Our final fallacy is the flip side of the appeal to tradition, and it's called the appeal to novelty. And this fallacy assumes that because that something is new, it is therefore superior to something that is older. So for example, in this comic, one gentleman is selling the original cure-all ointment, and the other is selling the all-new cure-all ointment. And the customers assume that it must be better because it's new. This is the type of fallacy that we run into with technological advancements these days. Anytime that a new iPhone is released, people assume that it is better simply because it is new. But if you really look at it, there's very little difference between the various different generations of iPhone. And in fact, some people would argue, for example, that the iPhone 6 is superior to the iPhone 7 because it still has a headphone jack, right? The iPhone 7 no longer has an iPhone jack, whereas the iPhone 6 still does. So some people might say that the old one is actually better and that the new one is inferior, and that it's not better simply because it's new, right? There are very few changes to this new iPhone that make it better. So in order for you to actually make the argument that something is better because it's new, you have to have evidence to back that up. Maybe it's significantly faster, or it has a better screen, or it has much more storage, or something like that. But it can't be better simply because it's new. That's a fallacy.